to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ashley and I'm so happy to have you here with me today. I'm excited because today's gonna be my first day in my new studio, and I feel like I've said that so many freaking times in like the past couple months, but this time it's like actually my first day in this new studio that's gonna stay my studio for a while. I did just eat breakfast and I'm dressed and everything. I fed Belly and everything too. But I'm gonna bring some pampas grass, and I have 3 appointments today, which is good. It's a good start. I have a facial and then a brow wax and then another facial later. So let me grab all my stuff. And I don't know if I ever showed you guys my keychain that I got from Hobby Lobby actually. So it looks like this, and it's like a little bracelet. It's really cute. I like it. So I have that. I'm gonna listen to my audiobook in the car. I'm listening to The Girl from Widow Hills. Highly recommend. I heard it from my brother's girlfriend. And I'm gonna put on my new jacket because it's actually cold outside. And I got this jacket from TJ Maxx. It's like a really good find. I'll show you guys. Here. Oh my gosh, isn't this so cute? And so I'm gonna wear this today. Got just my Steve Madden white gym shoes on. Yeah, I gotta go to work. Sorry, B. I've been so busy lately. He's probably like, where the heck are you? I've just been all the moving and everything. Do I have water? Oh my gosh. No, I need to get some water in here. My hair is wet because I just showered, if you noticed. Alright. This is my book, and I just realized I have no gas. So I'm glad I kind of left a little early so that I could hit the gas station. But yeah, this is the book, The Girl from Widow Hills. It's actually really good, like really good. I highly recommend. But yeah, I also read The Couple Next Door, which is actually pretty good too. Don't mind my pre-workout cup. Okay, don't judge me. But let me go get gas. Alright guys. It needs to focus. There we go. A little update on what it's looking like here. Got my little bar stool finally for my makeup. And I put some drinks in here. Love it. Countertop. And now I need to get prepared for this facial. LED light on and my candle. Now let me make some tea. All right, all set up. Let me take this headband, take this off, and put the headband here. And then these actually go in, these go in here. Okay, now I need to clean and clean this and clean that and move that back. But let me do that right now. Alright, all set up. Sorry if you could hear my book, but all set up. Okay, so I just finished. Alexa, pause. I'm gonna throw these away. Gotta clean this up. Wipe this down and fold it away. But let me throw this out. I gotta take the garbage out too. But yeah, let me do a little cleaning for a second. Hold on. Take these. Okay, I blew this out. Sorry if you could hear like her water running. It's actually quite loud. But I'm gonna turn this off. Okay, I'm gonna pick this back up. This is my cover. Thank you very much. And then, okay, all good. Ready to go. Let me get my jacket. I'm so hungry too. I need to get some lunch. Get my jacket there. Get my purse. Okay. Nice. Did you see that, guys? Love that. Okay, I'm going. So now what Kylie and I are gonna do is she has to do some shopping for her suite. Maybe we'll come back later and I can show you guys it. But it's like not set up yet, so I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna do some shopping. I need to get some lunch. And then yeah, that's like what we're gonna do for the rest of the day. Okay, these shoes I just found are $8. So I'm gonna get them. We're at Burlington, which we've never come to before. And I kinda like it. Anything good? Yeah. Ooh, 40 bucks. Damn. I'm gonna make this soup tonight, and so I'm going to Target to get the ingredients. This one looks good. Okay, getting some of these ingredients. Down here. So there's tomatoes down here. This is salsas. Okay, let me show my soup and all my ingredients. Okay, and the tomatoes. Oh yeah, I forgot about these too. And then my tomatoes roasted. You could have some of this dip if you want to. How is it? Good. Okay. Sauteing. Oh, it got foggy. That looks pretty good. Need some garlic bread. Shoo. Let me vlog us working actually too. And my laminate. Editing this a little bit. It's like the TikTok, it's okay, I'm obsessed with it. Or what is, I don't even know what it says. Yeah. It's like, I'm obsessed with it. It's okay that I'm obsessed with it. I've been. He's like, y'all are crazy. Oh my god. Got the sour gummy worms, sour gummy bears, and just regular. Mm.